Hey folks, Nate here with Landa. Today I want to talk about our salt and ice melt remover. We're going to be getting into those winter months where we're going to have to deal with icy roads. And what do they put down on icy roads? Road salt, right? Road brine. Stuff that deteriorates our vehicle. So one of the best products to use to neutralize those things is the ice melt remover. This is a fantastic product. It has a great chelating agent in it that rinses away very, very easily. It neutralizes all of those ice melt solutions they have out there that we're seeing today on the road. So it prevents salt from recrystallizing on the surface of the vehicle, preventing rusting. You can also use it in areas where there's marine environments, salt water, stuff like that. It's a very concentrated detergent, 1 to 100 dilution rate. So this bucket will go a long way. Of course, you can get it in larger quantities if needed, but you can also use this for general soils. This will work really well on heavy soil loads, road film, stuff like that. I use this product year round. It is a great product. So go to landa.com, punch in your zip code, find your local dealer, and you can get yourself some salt and ice melt remover for these winter months.